Yeah, one blood. Sizonke, yeah. Tina Sotwa, Tina Sotwa. I wake up early and I open the gate. The morning sun is lifting all the heavy weight. My brother stands there with a bag of maize. He knows the neighborhood is in a better phase. He knows the neighborhood is in a better phase. We don't need anger, we just need the truth. I'm teaching kindness to the township youth. Ubuntu is the only law I know. We plant the garden and we watch it grow. Watch it grow. If you lift one, you lift the whole damn crew. That's just the way we doing what we do. Guided by nothing but the love inside. We take the old Toyota for a dusty ride. Cruising slow. Izandla ziyagezana. Hands wash each other. Standing together. Unity is beauty in these busy streets. We keep on rising when the challenge meets. Never fall. Haikona kuzahlukanisa thina. Sebenzela abantwana emakhaya ya. Scooping lapho kuhlala khona abafana. Yeah. Root man tells me keep your head up, sonny. It's about the spirit, not just about the money. I got the wisdom handed from my elders. Me and my cousins been community builders. I'm the brother standing in the door. In the door. Situnga telling pilotina song. Help your neighbor or we lose it, conge. Lose it all, yeah. Izandla ziyagezana. Hands wash each other. Standing together. Unity is beauty in these busy streets. We keep on rising when the challenge meets. Never fall. Third man in and I'm bringing the hope. Helping the family find a way to cope. I welcome a stranger with a friendly smile. We'll walk together for a long, long mile. We invite the neighbors to share the plate of meat and feed the hungry on the open street. Open street. Kumnandi kubaleka kwiniswe impilo yonke. Sihamba kancane sibambane song. The world is tough but the heart stays warm. Keeping the family safe from the storm. From the storm. No science to it, just a soul in the bone. Protecting the people and the humble home. Unity first, unity first. Bloodline thick. Ziyagezana. Yeah, stay grounded, stay grounded. Tina Sotwa, out.